Alrighty, I am in the car, officially all packed up in the rental. My lips are really dry, but I'm running extremely late. Oh, flip. I forgot the sun pass. How did I forget the sun pass? I'll be right back. Throw it in the grass. Don't throw it at me, throw it in the grass. I know. Why does it look like you're throwing it at me? Toss it like underhand, I feel like. Okay. Thank you. Got it. All right. Let's try that again. Hey guys, it's crazy how much brighter it is at my mom's house. It actually is blowing my mind. But anyways, I've been pretty MIA since I got back. I've just been planning out my apartment visits when I go to DC tomorrow and working on a few other things. I worked most of the day yesterday, but since today was the day before my flight, so my flight is at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow, so I have to get up at like 4 and leave here by 4:30. So I'll be on the plane I'll be in Atlanta in 24 hours. But I figured before I go and like just start looking at apartments, I wanted to give you guys like some kind of preface as to what I'm looking for in general. We're just gonna assume that that's a good angle. Anyways, so really the main goal is to just look at different places, get a vibe for different buildings, different neighborhoods, and figure out what I can get for the price that I can afford. I've already looked online a bunch. I have 5 tours currently set up. Where my office is, the rent just seems to be a better price. So I can kind of get more square footage for the same price in the neighborhood where my office is, which you're probably thinking like, well, obviously, like you should just live where your office is then. Like, why would you not if it's cheaper? But at the same time, the neighborhood, I'm just not sure if that's where I want to live. And everyone says that like, you know, where you live is kind of like the neighborhood you spend the most time in. And if I'm working and living in the same neighborhood, I don't want to like box myself in and not go anywhere else. All right, let's migrate. Okay, so sorry, blabbing and blabbing. Point being, I'm looking in 3 different neighborhoods is my point. I'm not exactly sure what I want, but what I'm looking for in price range, at this point, the price ranges that I'm touring are $1,800 to $2,200 a month, basically. Today's Tuesday, it's about 9:30. I'm gonna try to get some work done now. I wanna work as much as I can because I won't be really working the rest of the week. I'm gonna bring my work laptop and stop by the office for probably a couple hours, and I might get a couple hours of work in, but most likely I'm just gonna be meeting everyone and not getting any work done. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm overall pretty excited, but also really nervous. So I'm ready to just be there already so I can kind of just start not being so nervous, but I don't know. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Yeah, I got a couple hours of work done, almost 3 hours, and then I decided to take a lunch break, which turned into apartment hunting, and now it's 1:30, so great, but that's all right. And yeah, I'm not feeling very well, so hopefully I get better soon because I don't want to be sick for my trip. I'm gonna go take some vitamin C though, but yeah, that's all I got. Talk to you guys soon. I see. It's really pretty. Oh, I like this.
Yeah, like shower.
Really nice. This
Cool
is
sink,
nice.
nice sink space.
Yeah, it was built in 20, so it has a lot of character, a lot of charm. All naturally by the flooring throughout the pages.
Yeah.
Look at
Yeah.
So all of our apartments have also been decorated areas.
Yeah, I'm so glad you were able to fit us in because I felt good about this one, but I'm like, I need to see it. Okay, yeah, gotcha.
Yes, well, the other nice thing that you can say if you like the brightness about it now is that this is all ambient.
Oh my gosh, Mom. Mom, look at this. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Hey guys, so it's been quite a while since I filmed that last clip. Bella. I ended up looking at about 8 apartment complexes, I think. Oh, no. Hey. It was a pretty long and exhausting trip. So I ended up in the end deciding on the studio apartment from the first building I viewed on the last day of my tour. So I'm super excited to move there, and I'm gonna be moving in the beginning of June, so very soon at this point. Luckily, I was able to view the apartment and sign my lease before all of this stuff happened in the world, so I got to see it in person, sign the lease, and everything is all set to go. They say they have contactless move-in, so I should be able to move in without having to see anybody. So I wanted to make this video for you guys to just let you know that I'm moving to Washington, D.C. I'm starting my full-time job in the beginning of July, so I just wanted to kind of document this experience, tell you how my tours went when I toured apartments in DC, and then kind of kick off my moving vlog series. So yeah, I'm really excited to move. I'm so happy I was able to find the unit for me, and it all worked out in the end, although it was a little bit stressful. But now that I know where I'm living and I'm moving in 5 weeks, 5.5 weeks now. Yep. Hope you guys will stick along with me while I go through this process. And if you have any questions about touring in DC, or if you're planning on moving, I would love to hear what you guys are worried about in the comments below, because I'm probably worried about the same things. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. I'm planning on posting 2 moving vlogs per week to kind of keep you all updated on what's going on. And then I plan on doing some work week in my life videos, so I hope you'll stick around, and thanks for watching. Bye.